Hi, today I'm going to show you MozartFinance is a fork from Goose Finance and Astonishing DeFi project running on Binance Smart Chain with lots of other features that let you earn and win tokens. I hope you like this site, you like my video, and we can just start. Alright, so the site of MozartFinance is not ready yet, but I will just tell you in this video all information about the MozartFinance, what it will be for a good site, and maybe I will just make a review later when the MozartFinance site will be ready. So as you can see, it's the classiest BSC project available to the public in a little country from a little city where Mozart was born. Pure class is coming to the blockchain community, and what they are trying to do is to create a splendid perpetual deflation token that performs like a symphony. Their native token Piano will provide a stable price pump with a sufficient burn mechanism. They are not trying to replace the swap and exchange, but rather to add value into their system and create a sustainable environment for people to yield farm with high APR, and later even more than that. Their glorious mission is not to scam people but to win. Every day they can see a bunch of different farming tokens that last for only a few days and then they are gone. They think they will create a token that is a sustainable long-term DeFi project. That is definitely much harder to do. They hope that they will not disappoint their growing amazing community and that they will achieve their goals together. And here with the security. So liquidity will be locked for 8 months, migrator code is removed, audit will be done before launch, so the only DeFi project on BSC to do so until now. Second audit will be done in first 3 weeks. New audits will be done on every major future update. And here are the features. So it's a fabulous burn mechanism. So 1% of every transaction will be burned. Deposit fees will be used to buy back tokens. Any unsold tokens from pre-sale will be burned. Team will randomly burn tokens each week to keep the price higher. Starting liquidity tokens will be burned in first 3 weeks. And the farming, so you can become a symphonist by farming Piano with the highest possible APR, farm different pools, and you have the voting system, so community can decide about adding new pools. The lottery is coming soon, NFT is coming soon, decentralized betting is in Q2, lending no ETA, and IFO no ETA, and there will be community ideas too. So when you have some ideas for the MozartFinance, you can just contact the Mozart team. You can just write your idea if you have some, and it will really help the MozartFinance owners and admins. The next thing is roadmap. So I think the important thing too, because you can just see what the MozartFinance is planning to do. So you have the urgent priority. So deployment of smart contracts, as you can see, already done, and here are the things that aren't done. So a lot of them. You have, for example, the audit before launch and liquidity lock, high APR, person gains, unique burn mechanism, high priority. You have second audit after the launch in first 2 to 3 weeks, and the lottery, and medium priority, so decentralized betting, NFT, IFO, so in partnership with other projects, fully operational, exchange, lending, and community ideas. So I just already said those things, but you can just see it on roadmap which priority it has. This is not final roadmap, so they will just adjust according to their community needs. And now you have the Piano tokenomics. So ticker is piano. You have the contract address over there on the bscscan.com. You can just see it over there. Only one transaction because the project is new, and you have the chain, so Binance Smart Chain, very hype right now. You can just hear about the Binance Smart Chain almost everywhere. And minted supply is 100,000 piano, total supply is 9,600,000 piano. Emission rate, you have time, so first day emission block 2 piano per block, emission per day is 57,600. First week 1 piano per block, 28,800. Second week 0.5 piano per block, 14,400. And third week 0.25 piano per block, and it's a 7,200 emission per day. And here you have the first week, second week, third week, fourth week, fifth week, and so on. And the first week count will start after 24 hours. After 3 weeks, 0.25 piano per block stays forever and will reduce inflation and produce only 50,400 piano per week. And you have the distribution, so it's distributed to farms 61%, music pools 30%, and developers 9%. You have deflationary mechanism, so 1% of every transaction will be burned. 50% of the deposit fee will be used to buy back piano tokens. And you have public pre-sale, so you have 50% for the public pre-sale, 45% for the liquidity, and 5% for the marketing. And you have the starting supply, as I said, 100,000 tokens, public pre-sale 55,000 tokens, liquidity lock 40,000 tokens, marketing 5,000 tokens. And you have the pre-sale, so EDA March 2021, 1 BNB is 27.5 piano, a soft cap is 800 BNB, hard cap 2000 BNB, maximum per wallet is 20 BNB, minimum per wallet is 0.2 BNB. And 50% of BNB will go to provide liquidity, 45% will go to treasury, 5% will go to the DEF wallet. Treasury funds will be used for further buybacks, burning, marketing, and development. And the liquidity, so 35,000 tokens will be added to farms, 10,000 tokens will be added to music pools. Marketing, they will use 5,000 piano to fund bounties and Mozart ambassadors, and they will also add between $20,000 and $40,000 of their own investments into additional marketing, so YouTube, Twitter, Telegram. And marketing will be an important aspect of their project, and they will continue to fund this to grow all over social media. Also, their idea is to have community channels in different languages. And you have deposit fee, important thing too. So non-piano files will have 4% deposit fee, and they will use the deposit fees to buy back piano token and to add more liquidity to their pools and farms. Distribution of 4% fee is 2% for buyback and burn, 1% for liquidity to farms, 0.75% to liquidity to pools, and 0.25% to developers wallet. Look at the social media, so you have the Twitter. You just go on it. I will just show you how many followers I have. 2,025 followers, so that's a great number for a new project. And you have the official Telegram groups, so English chat and announcements. You can just go on the English chat. 759 members, and announcement channel 342 members. And as I said, you can just contact the team when you have some ideas, problems, or questions. You can just go on this chat and you can just find some admins over there, or you can just send a message here on the Twitter and they will just reply to you. And you have Reddit too. When you just go on it, you can just read some news. You have important news and information over there. You can just follow them. They have 716 karma. and it's expected to be sold in 1 hour. So it's a good idea to go on the Telegram chat or announcement channel and follow them on Twitter or Reddit, because the information will be there and you will just have better chances to buy the MozartFinance token, so the piano. And here the guide, so how to use MetaMask when you don't know. You can just click here for the full guide, and you have to hear this MetaMask, and you just need it when you will just make an investment on the MozartFinance site, but as I already said, it's not ready yet. Or how to use the BSC wallet, you have the guide too, so you can just read about it when you don't know how to use MetaMask and BSC wallet. And that's all what I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you like this site, you like my video, and that you will just wait for the MozartFinance site release, because as I said, the project is new and this site is not ready yet. But this project has a huge potential, as I just see, a huge hype, because they are new and they have started in February this year, and they have already 760 members on the chat. They have 343 members on announcement channel and 2025 followers on Twitter. So I think this project will be great. You can just go on this Telegram, or you can just follow them on Twitter when you want to get some informations and news for the MozartFinance. You can just go on Reddit too. There are some news and informations too. And as I said, this token will be sold in 1 hour. It's expected. So as I just said to you, so you can just follow them on Twitter or Reddit, or just go on the Telegram chat or announcement channel and wait for the information about the pre-sale of piano token. And we'll see us in the next video. Goodbye.